proudly share with you in last 20 years, because this is the 20th Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon is there. It's not becoming a culture. I think pan India it has already gone from Delhi to Bombay. I think every part of the world is looking Delhi Half Marathon, because this is becoming a talk of today, and everyone is looking. And this marathon is not remain limited to Delhi. You will find that every year participation come across the globe, and this is really a proud moment for all of us. And as a Vedanta, because we take always a pride to be part of this noble cause, which is helping society and the community at large. As I said, that it is a movement powered by your passion, purpose, and steps that have already changed countless lives. Today we have come together as a community, united by a shared vision. I have no doubt that you, with your families, friends, business partners, and community members, will contribute to our commitment of zero hunger. Across Vedanta, the excitement is growing day by day. Just to share with you all, last year, over 30,000 Vedanta members joined the Steps at Go Challenge. 19 business units participated more than 20 mini marathons and 35 plus walkathon. Employee engaged in Zumba, yoga session, cycling rally, many more. Starting from Get Active Expo to Heritage Walk to the Marathon Day Marquee and Javed Ali concert. It is a true festival of purpose. This year, we are not only back, it's bigger and better than ever. VDHM, the world's most prestigious half marathon, is a powerful symbol of what community can achieve when they unite for positive change. Over the last 3 years, your collective efforts has helped over 17 million meals for the children. And this year, we are going to one step further. We are running for nutrition equity. For every kilometer you run, Vedanta will provide a Poshan pack, a millet-based nutrition bar to every child. The curated Poshan will also extend care to the animals in line with our belief that nutrition equity embraces all life. Every multi-millet Poshan pack is a step towards stronger bones, stronger minds, equitable start for every child, for a better world. Our target for this year, 5 million kilometers, 5 million Poshan packs. Every step has the power to change a life. One run, one child, one nourished tomorrow, moving from hunger to nutrition. That's our one step forward, which we are taking as a next step. Through our Nangar, we are impacting 7 crore children, 2 crore women, offering integrated education, healthcare, and nutrition at the grassroots level. This reflects our chairman, Shri Agarwal vision of building a nourished and empowered nation to end malnutrition. I am proud to share the VDHM finisher medal is made from pure zinc, mined from Hindustan Zinc Jawar mine in Rajasthan. You will be surprised to know that mine is almost 196-year-old mine of the country. That you behind the scene, that's was the video, so that you will know that what we are talking as a medal and where it comes from. Can we see the
Medals are not just made of metals. They are made of sheer brilliance and determination and reach the finish line. Presenting the medals minted for the privileged ones. Made from the purest and most rare grade of zinc, picked from the largest and oldest mines of India's leading producer of the metal, Hindustan Zinc Limited, a Vedanta Group company. from the Zawar mines in Udaipur, the oldest zinc mine in the world. These metals exhibit valor, pride, and the 2,000-year-old history of Rajasthan. They also express the love and respect of the local community. These shiny medals, made for Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon, hold the power of transforming India.
अक्सर नजरअंदाज करते हैं पैसों की देखभाल, यानी मनी मैनेजमेंट, जो कि पैसे कमाने जितना ही अहम है। ये एक सफर है जो शुरू होता है फाइनेंस के बारे में सीखने से, और यही शुरुआत की है IDFC ट्रस्ट अकेडमी टुवर्ड्स फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी।
And it's not just for our customers, it's open to everybody. In fact, we've recently also launched the whole entire learning curricula, which comprises about 250 plus different artifacts of articles, videos, all of that. We've just launched it in Hindi. We want to take it to hinterland. Our plan is to also launch it in multiple languages. So this is what our endeavor is. We also do banking, as I say. We have great products. We've grown significantly in the last 5-6 years. Under the leadership of Mr. Vaidyanathan, our MD and CEO. But having said this, one of the pillars that we are very, very proud of building this bank is ethical banking, and the other one is social growth. So as a part of our social work that we do, this is an initiative that we've launched. I humbly request all of you to visit our site and see if in case you can proactively take or undertake any of these courses, and any feedback is welcome. And thank you once again, Procam, for calling me here, and it's a wonderful opportunity of being with all of you. And 20 years again, as I'm saying, Vedanta, it's a fantastic journey. It's a long, long, long time, and it really is a marathon by itself.
वेदांता हाफ मैराथन के इस 20वें आयोजन में आई एम थैंकफुल टू द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी हियर। आप सभी जानते हैं स्वास्थ्य और फिटनेस कोई नई बात नहीं है। सदियों से हमारे देश में स्वास्थ्य और फिटनेस व्यक्तिगत जुनून नहीं, बल्कि एक सामूहिक चेतना के रूप में देखा जाता रहा है। सामूहिक चेतना क्यों? क्योंकि इकट्ठा होकर ही एक जगह पर एक ग्रुप के साथ ही स्पोर्ट्स और बाकी एक्टिविटीज को आगे बढ़ाया जाता है। हमारे गांवों में अखाड़ों से लेकर सुबह सुबह पार्क में टहलने तक की परंपरा फिटनेस ने न सिर्फ शरीर का निर्माण किया है, बल्कि स्वस्थ रिश्तों और समाज के निर्माण का भी काम किया है। क्योंकि जब आप पसीना बहाते हैं साथ साथ, तो यू डोंट ओनली बर्न कैलोरीज, बल्कि हम उस समय में एक दूसरे के साथ एक अटूट बंधन में भी बनते हैं। जो लोग इस फिटनेस के काम में सुबह सुबह एक इकट्ठा पार्क में सैर करते हैं, वॉक करते हैं, कुछ लोग लंबी साइकिल्स वीकेंड्स पर चलाते हैं, तो जो जिस तरह का एक संबंध, जिस तरह का एक रिलेशन उनके बीच में बनता है, वो स्पोर्ट्स के कारण ही एक अटूट बंधन के रूप में बनता है। और आज के इस आधुनिक दौर में इसी कम्युनिटी फीलिंग को, इसी सामुदायिक भावना का भव्य उदाहरण है वेदांता दिल्ली हाफ मैराथन।
20 साल से आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर ही रहे हैं। दुनिया भर से एथलीट यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं, और इस बार आशीष जी ने बहुत सारी बातें अभी आपके सामने रखी हैं। विवेक जी से मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, 2 लोगों मिसिंग है यहाँ पे। दिल्ली सरकार और दिल्ली टूरिज्म भी इसको सपोर्ट करेगी। इस बार मैं यहाँ पे इस बात को जोर से और घोषणा से ऐलान करना चाहता हूँ, वी विल बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट दिस ईयर एंड इन कमिंग ईयर्स। तो जोड़ दीजिएगा। दिल्ली में प्रधानमंत्री जी का विजन है इवेंट इकोनॉमी के लिए, हेल्थ के लिए, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, फिटनेस के लिए, और मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी के नेतृत्व में हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए तैयार हैं। आप लोग ऑलरेडी लीड कर रहे हैं इस पूरे इनिशिएटिव को। सरकार की तरफ से, दिल्ली के पर्यटन मंत्रालय की तरफ से, जो भी जिस भी प्रकार की आवश्यकता आपको पड़ती है इस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट के लिए या ऐसे और भी अन्य आयोजनों के लिए, हम पूरी तरह कमिटेड हैं इसमें आपका साथ देने के लिए। पुनः बहुत
not just on the track, but in every aspect of life. Keep moving forward because every step brings us closer to greatness. I want to take a moment to thank the amazing organizers of the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon. Turning the vision of thousands of runners through Delhi streets into a reality is no small feat. It takes incredible dedication and maybe a little bit of craziness, with long nights and endless details to manage. Probably more coffee than water stops on the course. Their hard work and passion makes this event possible so that the rest of us can focus on the run and not the logistics. Let's give them a big round of applause for making this unforgettable experience happen.
Have to deter all the external and internal challenges. And there are three important forms of deterrence. For all your external challenges, you have to have the power of deterrence by punishment, which we've all witnessed in the recent past. How we punished the external challenges which we faced across our western borders. We have to have the power of having deterrence by defense. We witnessed numerous times how strong we are in defending our territorial integrity and sovereignty of this nation. And most important is the deterrence by resilience, where the entire nation comes together, the entire population, all the uniformed personnel, all the civil society comes together and prove it to the world that whatever may happen, whatever may be the external and internal challenges,
to understand the multifold and lasting impact of the Vedanta Delhi Half Marathon. I would like to then add to the what you said, sir, that this is a run for gender equality. So aligning with the Honorable Prime Minister's understanding on Fit India, Khelo India, we are also aligning, Delhi especially is aligning with the Delhi University alumni there in chair, Rekha Gupta ji, to the other goal of Prime Minister, which is women-led development. I would like to congratulate ProCam for